Understanding Thank You Cards, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very special topic: thank you cards. These are not just two simple words. They carry a lot of cultural and emotional significance. So, let's dive in and understand what thank you cards really mean in the English-speaking world. In this section, we'll cover the fundamental concept of thank you cards. Essentially, these are cards sent to express gratitude. They are often used after receiving a gift, attending a special event, or for any situation where you want to thank someone in a thoughtful and personal way. We'll look at different occasions where sending a thank you card is appropriate and appreciated. Here, we'll explore what goes into making a thank you card. This includes the design elements like images and colors, as well as the content, the actual message written inside. We'll go through some examples of heartfelt messages, and I'll provide tips on how to personalize your card to make it more meaningful. In this part of the video, we delve into the cultural importance of thank you cards. In many English-speaking countries, sending a card is a traditional way to show appreciation and maintain good relationships. We'll discuss how this small gesture can have a big impact in both personal and professional contexts. With the rise of digital communication, it's important to discuss the difference between digital and physical thank you cards. We'll look at the pros and cons of each and discuss scenarios where one might be more appropriate than the other. For those who love crafting, this section is for you. We'll go through some DIY ideas for making your own thank you cards. It's a creative and personal way to express your gratitude, and I'll show you some simple yet beautiful ideas to get you started. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of thank you cards. Remember, a thank you card is more than just a piece of paper. It's a heartfelt expression of gratitude that can strengthen relationships and bring joy. I hope this video helps you in your journey of learning English and understanding its cultural nuances. Stay tuned for more informative videos, and happy learning!